Tired of scheduling hassles? This Calendly review explores how this booking platform streamlines appointments for professionals and businesses. Check the description for links to explore Calendly's features. Designed for individuals, teams, and organizations, Calendly simplifies client meetings, consultations, and internal scheduling. Its user-friendly interface lets you set availability so clients and colleagues can book appointments without endless emails. Calendly syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, and more, preventing double bookings. It offers flexible scheduling for one-on-one meetings, group sessions, and recurring events, ideal for freelancers, consultants, sales professionals, and large teams. Customize event types like meetings or calls, and assign unique settings. Configure buffer times, working hours, and personalized questions for clients. Integrate Calendly with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce for seamless virtual meetings and CRM management. For teams, Calendly offers round-robin assignment and collective scheduling, automating meeting management and delegation. The mobile app lets you manage appointments on the go. Notifications and reminders keep everyone informed. Eliminate scheduling headaches with Calendly. Its simplicity, flexibility, and powerful integrations make it a top choice. Optimize your scheduling today. Explore Calendly via the links below.